The Blind Watchmaker, Why the Evidence of Evolution Reveals a Universe Without Design, 1986, by British science writer and zoologist Richard Dawkins, explores the theory of evolution while advocating for its acceptance by the general public. It can be regarded as a polemical work as Dawkins asserts that Charles Darwin's theory of natural selection provides the only evidence-based explanation for the origins of humanity. While the book achieved bestseller status and earned acclaim for its compelling prose and rigorous research, it has been criticized for not addressing the emergence of human consciousness. Dawkins, a highly respected scientist and author, first introduced the term meme in his 1976 work, The Selfish Gene. The book engages with themes such as scientific discovery, the limits of human cognition, and the unusual social resistance to evolutionary theory. The title responds directly to an 1802 hypothesis by theologian William Paley, who argued that the complexity of nature implied the existence of an intelligent creator, likened to a watchmaker. Dawkins extends Paley's analogy, asserting that evolution and natural selection create complex organisms without a conscious designer. The watchmaker is blind with no foresight for the future or present. He contends that misunderstandings of evolution contribute to social issues, including environmental devaluation and vaccine skepticism. For this reason, Dawkins stresses the urgency of confronting societal misconceptions and understanding evolutionary evidence before dismissing it as unfounded. Dawkins argues that while many claim to understand Darwin's theories, few truly grasp their full implications. He examines common public misconceptions about evolution, emphasizing its inherently random nature. Although the emergence of complex organisms may seem counterintuitive, it becomes intelligible when one considers that evolution operates over millions of years. He illustrates this with the example of airplane construction. While a plane cannot form by chance in a single attempt, the vast number of opportunities over time makes the development of complex organisms plausible. This gradual process, known as gradualism, can be observed in phenomena such as the evolution of the human eye or the echolocation abilities of bats. On the surface, evolution appears to conflict with many religious doctrines, particularly Christianity, which posit a supreme all-knowing designer. The implications of evolution suggesting a universe shaped by random processes can challenge deeply held beliefs. Yet Dawkins argues that acceptance of Darwinism need not be entirely incompatible with religious faith and may even enhance appreciation for the mysteries of existence. Many also fail to recognize the immense timescales required for evolutionary effects, especially in humans. Unlike rapidly reproducing species such as fruit flies, humans experience evolutionary change over millennia, far beyond the intuitive grasp of everyday experience. Empirical methods such as DNA analysis are therefore crucial for observing these processes. Dawkins presents detailed computer simulations of DNA replication to further substantiate evolutionary theory. Over millions of years, countless microchanges explain the intricate complexity of life. Human cognition naturally seeks evidence of intelligent design in random events, making the acceptance of evolutionary randomness counterintuitive. Dawkins carefully examines how certain traits, such as the peacock's tail, evolved through sexual selection with advantageous traits passed on to successive generations. He combines computer-based calculations with discussions of chance to clarify evolution's operation. While some dismiss evolution as mere randomness, Dawkins emphasizes that chance is guided by natural selection. Traits that confer survival advantages persist, while those that do not gradually disappear. Contrary to the punctuated equilibrium theory, which suggests species remain static for long periods before sudden change, Dawkins argues that evolution is a continuous process occurring incrementally in subtle ways. In concluding the book, he explores historical and theoretical debates within evolutionary biology, including Jean-Baptiste Lamarck's proposal that acquired traits can be inherited, a concept known as Lamarckism. Dawkins also addresses creationist theories but maintains that none rival the explanatory power and comprehensiveness of Darwinian evolution. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe.